Hello and welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we are going to learn how to filter out certain results from this particular database right here. So as you could see, we already have one photo value over here, that is the details related to one particular photo. And in some cases, what you have to do is that you have to filter out the data, and you don't actually want all the data, but instead you only need some data from your database, and that's where filtering comes into picture. So now we will actually go ahead and create one more piece of photo over here so that we could actually learn how to filter or distinguish between these two photos. So let's create a new object. Let's name this object as B, and that's actually going to be a photo object. So let's go ahead, create that, and let's actually assign it some name. So B dot name is going to be equal to, let's say it is called as nature. Let's say the creator, so B dot creator is actually equal to, let's say, ABC. Let's say the price, which is B dot price, and I guess I accidentally hit enter over here. So let me actually go ahead and create this object one more time. So B equals photo, the object is created, then B dot name, let's say the name is going to be nature, then B dot creator is going to be equal to ABC, and let's say B dot price is going to be equal to let's say 1,000, or let's say 1,200. So once we do that, and once we type in B dot save, as you could see, the data is going to be saved in the object B. Okay, so now the next main important thing which we are going to talk about filtering is that you can actually go ahead and filter out the results depending upon your requirement. So all the rows which are actually stored in the photo table have one property which is called as the primary key or the ID. So the primary key is nothing but it's actually an ID assigned to each one of those rows of your database, which is going to uniquely identify each and every photo. So if you type in a.id, as you could see, you are going to get an ID 1, and if you type in b.id, the shell. So we'll type in python manage.py shell. Then again, unfortunately, you have to go ahead and import the same model again. So that's actually nothing but from photo app dot models, that's going to be import photo. Then once that thing is imported, you could type in photo dot objects dot all. And now once you type this thing in, as you could see, instead of object 1 and object 2, you actually get the representation as the photo name and the creator name right over here. So now once we are done with all these final things, let's see how we could actually filter out the results. So instead of getting all the objects, let's say if you want to filter out depending upon a particular ID. So let's say if you want to get the photo whose ID is 2. So in order to do that, you could type in photo dot objects dot, and instead of typing in all here, as we have to filter the results, data using the admin panel, which is a comparatively easier approach. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.